Hi, everybody. I'm Aishani. My colleagues Sushmita, Iti, and I recently visited Malaysia under the project Support to Parliamentary Reforms in collaboration with UNDP Malaysia, where we essentially assess digital readiness for the Malaysian Parliament and go on to formulate a digital transformation strategy. Most of our time spent in Malaysia, we engaged with stakeholders, both parliamentary and non parliamentary stakeholders, including CSOs, media organizations, researchers, and academia to better understand where the institution is currently placed in terms of its digital readiness. Apart from this, what we also did was to better understand the very need for digitization in the Malaysian parliament, and then also understand what are the challenges encountered by these stakeholders in building and designing very many of these systems. What stood out to us across these conversations was how all of these stakeholders were extremely firm in their belief of what value digitization brought to their day-to-day operations in terms of parliamentary operations, access to information, and also strengthening engagement with citizens. Something that we really appreciated was their curiosity was to learn and engage from other parliaments across countries.
One of the biggest takeaways for us was that there was a strong bottom up approach being taken to drive these initiatives. Many of the ideas for these solutions were directly emerging from individual departments, basis their operational needs, while end users were also being involved in the design and testing phase of this process. At the same time, while there was recognition that these initiatives were growing organically and emerging technologies like AI were being encouraged by decision makers, we feel that then there is scope for a more grounded understanding about the risks and harms of these technologies. And additionally, we also think considerations around strategic integration and interoperability needs to be embedded early on to these systems so that these systems can work across different departments and these digital tools don't end up being standalone digital systems. Overall, the trip was extremely insightful, and we identified several areas where digital transformation can strengthen parliamentary processes and strengthen the institution as a whole.